This ASRock motherboard is dead, knackered, kaput, basically scrap. Let's see if we can do something about that. My ASRock 970 Performance Fatal1ty motherboard was dead and I couldn't get it to do anything, wouldn't kick the power supply in, so I thought I'd give this a try. So what I did, I got to the BIOS chip. Yours may differ slightly and it may work on other motherboards too, and only attempt this if the motherboard is considered scrap, it's out of warranty and you know what you're doing, and please don't injure yourself or damage anything. Right, so what I did, I popped the BIOS processor out, and thankfully mine's quite easy to get out. I say that, just be careful. Right, so there's him out, so as you can see, and all I did was reseated it. So if you're careful and you know what you're doing, and popped him back in place. And then what I did then, just see if it made any difference, because as you can see at the moment the fan's not spinning. We'll plug it in, and before I wasn't getting CPU fan spin, and now I am, and hope that helps you. It may work on other motherboards too. Thanks for watching, and until the next one.